Excuse me, guys. Can I take your picture? It is for my social media.
Oh,
Can I take your picture?
Yeah.
Uh,
Where do you want to take it?
We'll go on that corridor.
Okay.
Can you stand there for me? What's your name?
Sonia.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jubi. That's fine.
Sorry.
No worries. Shumi, can you stand on this side for me, please? I'll show you that, okay? There you go.
Thank
We'll
you.
take a couple more. Thank you. Thank you. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I take yours?
Mine?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. Can you stand here for me? What's your name?
Cindy.
Cindy. I'm Jubi.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Can you give me a side pose? Wow. There you go.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, looks cute.
I like
Thank
that,
you so
right?
much.
Thank you so much.
Wait, what's your Instagram?
It's a wonder not.
Did you do it for interest?
Sorry?
Did you do it for interest?
Yeah, so it's just my hobby.
Wonder.
No, the second one, that's me.
Okay. I'm
Yeah.
gonna follow you.
Thank you so much. I'll give you a follow back. If you want the pictures, I'll send them to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you guys. Have a
Nice
nice
to
day.
meet you.
Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo? It is for my social media. Can I show you what I do?
Yeah, sure.
So, yes, so that is my page. So I take portraits of people I meet.
Oh yeah, sure. That's okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I'm not good at like posing or anything like that.
Can you walk towards me? Yeah. We'll take a couple more.
Treated me so nicely, and she got me that lovely coat. And
Can you take a couple more if it's okay?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, thank you. Yeah, you can stand here. Yeah, you can stand there. Can you look here? There you go.
Oh shit, that looks so cool.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that looks so sick. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Oh,
your time.
can I please get you
Sure.
your Instagram?
Sure. It's a wand or not.
I would love to see it when it comes out.
Sure. That's me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo? It is on my social media.
Do I look that good?
You look really good.
I do. What do you mean?
So
Oh, that's lovely.
I go up to people
They are nice.
and take the yours.
Pretty. Okay, so what should we do?
So we'll take
I'm
some
very shy,
photos. That's fine. We'll take from that telephone box.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name, by the way?
I'm Laura.
Laura. Nice to meet you. I'm
nice to
Juby.
see you. What do you do this for?
It's my
like it?
It's my hobby.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So then what do I do?
So you can stand near the telephone box.
Yeah.
I'll click from here. Are you visiting?
No, I was just waiting for a friend, but I'm not sure what he is. I might just set off myself.
That's fine.
With this or without it?
You can have that. Yeah. Oh, you can. I can hold that. Oh, that's fine.
It's heavy though.
That's fine.
I don't know whether I'm supposed to move.
Those
or
are really
not.
good. We'll take a couple
Oh,
more.
I love them.
Yeah.
Wow, you are good.
You are
Damn,
good.
you are good.
Can you stand here?
That's good until you.
Yeah.
Am I straight? Am I not straight?
No, these are really good actually.
I have to be straight. Do I have to be different? I don't know. I see that needs to be deleted.
No, that's fine.
But I do like that.
Yeah, those ones are good.
They are nice. You are good at this. You know, photography used to be my passion, but
Oh, really?
But then I had to change my phone from a Huawei to an Apple, and then I realized how
Ah.
rubbish everything else is. Because on Huawei everything was good. Lovely.
Those are good
My
actually.
goodness, you
Thank
have to
you.
send them. All of them. So how do I? What was your page? So I can
It's
follow you?
Wander Not. Here.
Oh, send me those, but send them via a link to keep the quality because they're really good.
Sure. Give you a follow back.
I'll get this off your hands.
Sure. Thank you.
But all right, well.
It was really
have
nice
fun
meeting
then.
you.
You too.
Thank you. Have a
Are
nice
you
day.
living here?
At the moment I live here.
Okay. And when did you move?
It's been 2 years.
Wow. It's quite a manic city to be in.
Oh, it is.
It's a city full of sharks, I
Yeah.
keep calling it.
Are you based on London?
Yeah, same, about 2 years, but I've been around the UK for a bit with work. So.
Okay.
Just London, it's sometimes you have to stay away from it.
Oh yeah, sometimes.
Escape from time to time. But good work.
Thank you.
Happy days. Hopefully it goes even better.
Sure. Thank you so
Jack.
much. Have a nice day. Excuse me, guys. Do you mind if I take your photo? It is for my social media.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Can we follow your Instagram?
Of course. Yeah, I'll show you my page first.
Okay.
So that is my page. So I do
Oh, that's
portraits
really
like that.
beautiful. You can see some.
Wander Not.
Oh, you do the portrait, most
yeah,
of them.
portraits.
Tiếng hơi sợ nè.
Sorry.
Oh
Oh.
This
my
one?
god.
Yeah, that's me. That's me.
Oh.
That's me. Thank you.
Followed.
Yeah, we'll take from here, I think.
Should we stand?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You can stand there.
Now we'll take another one.
Can you look here? Yeah, can you stand there for me? Thank you. Oh, what's your name, by the way? Harva.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Can you give me a side pose? Oh yeah, like that. Yeah. Exactly. There you go.
That's cool.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
So great.
Can I take yours?
Yeah.
I can. Yeah.
Sure. Are you guys visiting? Or do you
my
live?
friends come here to visit.
Ah,
Being
okay.
like tour guide.
Oh, nice. Do you wanna wear your glasses?
You want me to have a glass?
Here, please.
Sure.
Thank you. I'll take one more. Can you face to? Can you cross your leg? Yeah, like that. Sorry. There you go.
Okay, good. Wow. Amazing. Thank you. It looks so stunning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you. You take a lot of good picture,
Yeah.
portraits. Well, oh my god. I'm going to follow your Instagram.
Yeah.
Sure.
I
Thank
follow.
you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Hope you have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Cheers.